In this guide, I'm going to show you how to increase friend drop boost here in Universal Tower Defense X on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to invite a friend to join your lobby before you even start a match. So make sure that you go ahead and just, pause your game by selecting the Roblox menu, select invite friends, and then invite one of your friends so that they actually are in the same lobby as you. Once you go ahead and do that, all you have to do is start the stage together, and you could just hit play, for example, by hitting expand and then play. And after you do that, both of you guys will be in there, and playing with friends can give you a pretty good friend boost, which obviously will increase your drop chances or rewards after the match. If you finish the stage like normal, you can check that result screen to see what rewards you've actually earned. For the best chance at better drops though, make sure the friend is in the same match with you before the stage actually begins. But that is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions like that, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.